Welcome to Tech Bytes in News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into Shopify's 5-year journey with React Native. Get ready for some serious tech talk with a side of delightful anecdotes.
Ooh, I'm buzzing. 5 years is a long time in the fast-paced world of mobile development. What were Shopify's initial motivations for switching to React Native? I'm guessing it wasn't just for the sheer joy of it, right?
Exactly. They had 3 primary goals. Write it once, meaning avoid duplicate iOS and Android development. Talent portability, enabling developers to seamlessly transition between platforms. And ship more value, focusing on user features instead of platform parity. Pretty ambitious, huh?
Ambitious indeed. And did they achieve those goals? Did they actually manage to write once and ship more value? I'm skeptical. These things often sound better in theory than in practice.
Well, their report suggests a resounding yes. They claim a significant productivity boost from writing once. Engineers now fluidly work across web and mobile, and feature parity is a non-issue. They even boast blazing fast app speeds, sub 500 millisecond screen loads, and impressive stability. Impressive, right?
Sub minus 500 milliseconds? That's seriously impressive. But I bet there were challenges. Migrating all their apps to React Native and bugs. That sounds like a monumental undertaking. Did they use some kind of magical, one-size-fits-all migration strategy?
Nope, no magic involved. Each team chose its own migration path, allowing them to continue shipping features while gradually adopting React Native. A very pragmatic approach, I'd say. They even created a handy table showing the migration timeline for each app. It's fascinating to see how they tackled this massive project in a decentralized way.
That's smart. So what were some of the key takeaways from their 5-year experience? I'm particularly interested in the performance aspect, given that performance is often cited as a concern with React Native.
Absolutely. Performance was a major concern initially, but Shopify's extensive prototyping and collaboration with Meta paid off. They achieved those incredible speeds, proving that React Native can indeed be used to build world-class apps. They emphasized that good patterns and techniques are crucial, regardless of the framework. It's not a silver bullet, but it's clearly a powerful tool.
I see. So it wasn't just about the framework itself, but also about how they used it. What about other aspects of their experience? Did they mention anything about debugging or updates?
Oh yes, debugging in React Native was apparently a bit of a pain point, though they mentioned Meta's recent debugger rewrite looks promising. And updates? Those weren't seamless either. They had a dedicated team handling updates to minimize disruption to the main development teams. But again, they see this improving with the maturation of the framework and the adoption of the new architecture.
Makes sense. It sounds like a constant balancing act between leveraging the benefits of React Native and mitigating its limitations. Did they discuss anything about their use of native code?
Absolutely. They're big proponents of a native and React Native approach. They found that React Native is great for most features, but native code remains essential for performance-critical tasks, hardware access, and background processes. They even highlight the importance of having skilled native developers on their team.
That's a really balanced perspective. It seems they've learned to leverage the strengths of both worlds. What about the future of React Native at Shopify? What are their plans?
They're committed to the project, actively contributing to the open source community, and even restarting their React Native working group to collaborate with other companies on improving the framework. They're excited about the new architecture and see a bright future for React Native. They even encourage others to give it another look if they haven't recently.
That's a very optimistic outlook. It seems like Shopify's journey with React Native is a testament to the power of a pragmatic approach, a commitment to continuous improvement, and the importance of collaboration within the open source community. A great success story.
Absolutely. And that's a wrap for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time for another deep dive into the fascinating world of technology. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.